TOX PRESSOTECHNIK in Weingarten by Lake Constance is an innovative and successful company specializing in sheet metal joining, drive systems, and presses. Its products enable the automotive, white goods, and food industries to manufacture reliably and cost-effectively. The parts store of the production department at TOX operates 3 Hänel Lean-Lifts in conjunction with the store management system ViaDot from ViaStore Systems. To make maximum use of the available space, the vertical lift modules are seated in the basement. The access points are positioned on the ground floor. Standing 14 meters tall, the storage systems take up the height of the basement and the full height of the production hall. Although the inventory items vary in size, the height-optimized storage of the lean lifts means the available space is used optimally and flexibly. As a result, the total storage area of around 450 square meters is condensed onto a footprint of only 21 square meters, freeing up a huge amount of valuable floor space. For the electronic management of the inventory items, TOX uses the storage management system ViaDot from ViaStore Systems. The flexible and scalable software has been embedded in the standard interface of the SAP Enterprise Resource Planning System. The Hänel Lean-Lift controller interfaces directly with the system. From the terminal at the access point, the operator can view the individual pick orders and execute them according to their priorities in the lean lift. This means goods to man rather than man to goods. The high-speed Hänel Lean-Lift conveys the requested item to the access point quickly and reliably. The overview function in the ViaDot software maps the layout of the different sized storage containers on a shelf and identifies the container from which the item is to be taken or into which it is to be stored. The Hänel sub-level indicator is an additional support to fast and reliable order picking. This saves time and prevents errors. Thanks to the warehouse management software, the current inventory status of individual articles can be viewed at any time. Adding new articles to the system is an easy process. Based on the number of items and the size of the articles, the system automatically suggests the optimal storage location. Labels showing the article number and name ensure maximum clarity. By using advanced storage systems from Hänel in conjunction with high-performance warehouse management software from ViaStore Systems, it has been possible to make very efficient usage of the available storage space. Faster goods delivery, improved stock control, and minimized pick errors shorten production lead times and order processing times.